Joe Dispenza is a world-renowned author and speaker who has dedicated his life to helping people manifest their dreams using his visualization technique. In this video, we will explore the basics of Joe Dispenza's visualization technique, how it can help you manifest your dreams, and other tips and tricks to help you get started. We will also discuss positive affirmations and when you should start to see results. After watching this video, you will know everything you need to get started on your journey to manifesting your dreams, so stay tuned. Visualization is a technique that can be used to help you achieve your goals and dreams. It's a powerful tool that can be used to clear your mind, focus on your goals, and increase your chances of manifesting them. In this video, we'll explore the concept of visualization and how it works. We'll also provide a step-by-step guide on how to use visualization techniques effectively so that you can maximize their potential. Finally, we'll discuss some best practices for making your vision board for success. By following these guidelines, you're sure to achieve the results that you desire. To begin, let's understand the concept of manifesting, what it is, why it works, and how it can be used by us. Then we'll move on to explaining why visualization techniques are an effective tool for manifesting. We'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to create a successful vision board and keep yourself motivated while doing so. Last but not least, we will discuss some benefits of visualizing, both short-term and long-term, so that you can better understand their impact on your goals and dreams. The law of attraction is one of the most well-known and powerful principles in the universe. It states that everything in life, both good and bad, is caused by our thoughts. What we focus on expands, so it's important to be mindful of our thoughts and intentions every day. By using visualization techniques, you can increase your chances of achieving your goals by harnessing the power of your mind. Visualization is a powerful tool for changing your thoughts and beliefs. When you imagine yourself achieving your goals, you start to believe that it's possible. This mindset shift can help to propel you forward in your journey towards success. To effectively use visualization, it's important to have a clear picture in your mind of what you want to achieve. With this clarity comes focus and focus and focus on what's important, which is essential for manifesting positive changes into reality. Uncovering hidden beliefs that may be hindering your success can also be helpful in reaching your goals. By exploring these beliefs, you can begin to dismantle them piece by piece until they no longer hold any weight over you. For spiritual guidance and support on your journey, connect with a higher power through prayer or meditation daily. These practices will help guide you along the way and keep you motivated as you work towards achieving success in all areas of life. To get started with visualization, first make sure that you have a clear picture in your mind of what you desire. This picture should be as detailed as possible, and it should include all the details about the life that you want to live. Once you have this image in your head, start to focus on it by bringing it into your daily thoughts and conversations. When you focus on what you desire, it will become more real to you and easier to achieve. Another key aspect of visualization is to select specific goals that are relevant to your overall goal. By focusing on specific goals rather than trying to achieve everything at once, you will be more successful in reaching your ultimate goal. When selecting your goals, be sure to consider both short-term and long-term objectives. By making these decisions early on in the process, you will be able to stay focused and motivated throughout the entire manifestation process. Sometimes achieving our dreams requires sacrifice or hard work, but that doesn't mean we have to give up on them altogether. One great way to keep pushing forward, even when things seem impossible, is by using visualization practices like daily affirmations or mindfulness meditation. These strategies help us shift our focus from our negative self-talk back towards our positive self-talk. Doing this helps us maintain positive morale while we're working towards our dreams. Last but not least, remember what motivates us most. For many people, it's writing down their manifestation practices and committing them to paper. Taking these steps forces us to take ownership of our dream journey, which can help us stay motivated through thick and thin. Every day, we make choices that lead us down a certain path. Some of these choices are conscious, while others are subconscious. The subconscious is where all of our memories and emotions live, and it's often the driver behind our actions and decisions. By understanding how your subconscious works, you can start to take control of your own destiny. One way to do this is through the power of visualization. By picturing your desired future in detail, you can start to create it reality. This isn't something that you do once and then forget about. Visualization is an ongoing process that can help you achieve success on many levels. For example, by visualizing yourself achieving your goals, you become more motivated to work hard towards them. Additionally, positive thinking habits are developed when positive images are constantly reinforced in the mind. This helps to increase energy levels and build self-confidence. In order to maximize the benefits of visualization techniques, it's important to understand neurophysiology in depth. This knowledge will allow you to better understand how your brain works and how visualization can affect it positively or negatively. Furthermore, by taking specific steps for further self-development over time, you'll be able to reach any goal that you desire, no matter how big or small. With a little effort on your part, using visualization techniques can help pave the way for a successful future. When it comes to achieving our goals, we all have different ways of looking at things. Some people look at success as a concrete thing that they need to work hard for, while others believe that success is something that will come to them if they just try hard enough. However, there is another way of looking at success, a way that is based on positive affirmations and visualization. By using these techniques, you can put the power of the mind to work in order to achieve your goals. By identifying and removing any limiting beliefs or negative self-talk, you can create powerful mental images that are appealing and motivating. Utilizing visualization techniques can help you see your goal as if it's already been achieved, which can help boost your confidence and motivation. In addition, understanding the law of attraction can give you the ability to harness the power of the universe in order to achieve your goals. By learning how to recognize when the universe is speaking to you, you can develop a plan of action and track progress as you go along. Finally, practicing gratitude every day will help you attract abundance into your life in miraculous ways. If you're ready to start manifesting amazing things into your life, then positive affirmations for manifestation is what you need. When it comes to achieving our goals, many of us struggle with uncertainty. We don't know how to start or what the steps are, and we feel like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle of failure. However, with the right knowledge and tools, you can start to change that. In this section, we will be discussing the mechanics of visualization and how it can be used to manifest your desires into reality. First and foremost, visualization is not about making things up in your head. It's about using real data to create a picture in your mind that represents what you want to happen. Through visualization, you can learn how to connect with your subconscious mind and shape reality according to your desires. By understanding this process, you can take control of your life and reach your goals faster than ever before. To get started with visualization, practice meditation and mindfulness every day. These practices help you focus on the present moment and clear away distractions so that you can focus on what's important. When you're able to stay in the moment and focus on what's happening around you, manifestation becomes much easier. Once you have a good foundation in visualization, it's time to get focused on your goals. By understanding exactly what you want and focusing on the details of each step along the way, success is almost guaranteed. Make sure that all related materials are at hand before starting. This will help reduce any confusion or hesitation during the process. Finally, remember, persistence pays off. With patience and dedication, anything is possible. Visualization is one of the most powerful techniques that you can use to achieve your life goals. It's a simple but powerful process that can help to unlock hidden doors of success. In this section, we will outline the 5-step process for using visualizations effectively and the science behind why they work so well. We will also provide step-by-step strategies for manifesting with visualization and reveal the hidden doors of manifesting success. Finally, we'll show you how to use the law of attraction and visualization to create positive change in your life. So whether you're looking to improve your health, get more money, or achieve any other goal, visualization is an essential toolkit. Let's begin. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools that you have at your disposal. It can help you to achieve your goals in a number of ways, and understanding how it works is essential if you want to use it to its fullest potential. In this section, we will be discussing the power of intention and visualization, how they can help break free from self-limiting habits, and how to use the science behind creative manifestation to achieve your desires. First and foremost, visualization is the process of imagining something in great detail. This can be anything from achieving a goal to becoming successful in a particular field. By visualizing yourself reaching your goals, you are increasing the likelihood of actually achieving them. Additionally, by breaking free from self-limiting habits, you are opening up new opportunities for success. Many times we limit ourselves because we don't believe that we can do something. But by visualizing yourself succeeding even when things seem difficult, you will build courage and belief in yourself. This will lead to greater success down the road. Finally, when it comes to manifesting your desires into reality, understanding the science behind creative manifestation is essential. By gaining clarity on how visualization works and understanding the law of attraction, which is at work every day, you can begin shaping your life for the better. By practicing this technique every day, you will develop a greater sense of self-awareness, which will allow you to take advantage of all that visualization has to offer. Thanks for watching this video till end. God bless you and your family.